Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. Today, we're diving into how you can start a one-person business entirely powered by AI, eliminating burnout and overhead. This video is for anyone who wants to build a business without the hassle of managing people or endless busy work. AI makes this not just possible, but incredibly scalable. A one-person business does not mean doing everything yourself. It means owning the system while AI handles the execution, acting as your writer, designer, and operations support. Your role becomes very clear. You select the service, establish a simple workflow, and ensure the delivery of results. That's it. You manage the system, not the staff. The fastest way to start a successful one-person business is by offering a service, not a product. And with AI, there are 3 perfect services for beginners right now. Service number 1, AI writing. This includes in-demand tasks like drafting product descriptions, creating engaging blog posts, and writing high-converting email sequences. Service number 2, AI video services. This means quickly turning existing text or blog content into engaging YouTube shorts or social media videos. Service number 3, AI automation. These are simple, automated workflows that help small businesses save time and operate far more efficiently. Focus on solving an existing problem better with AI. Once you've chosen your service, the next critical step is building the AI workflow. This is where your one-person business truly becomes powerful and scalable. Here's a simple example. ChatGPT writes the content, Canva formats the design, 11 Labs creates the voiceover, and tools like Pictory or CapCut turn it into a finished video. Use tools like Notion or Google Drive to organize client intake and standardize the delivery of your work. Once this workflow is set, every new client follows the same process. When you leverage these integrated AI tools, you turn hours of manual work into mere minutes. You are not reinventing the wheel with every new client. Now, let's talk about selling. You only need one channel to start generating income for your AI business. This could be platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, direct outreach to small businesses, or simply posting helpful AI demonstrations on social media like YouTube or X. Your pitch is simple. You use AI to deliver the service faster and more affordably than traditional methods. Clients care about the results, not the tools you use. This is the part most people miss about the one-person business model. You don't scale by adding employees. You scale by improving your systems. As you grow, save your best prompts, create standardized templates, and automate client intake. That is how one person runs what looks like a small, highly efficient agency. AI removes the biggest bottleneck in business, which is your time and capacity. It allows you to take on multiple clients without burning out. If you've been looking for a clear starting point for a flexible, profitable business, this is it. Focus on purpose, leverage AI, and build your income. For a clear starting point, I've put together a free AI Money Starter Kit that walks you through your first AI workflow step by step. You'll find the link below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily videos on building income with simple systems.